everyone, my name's Danielle and welcome to Board Game Bakes. This week we're going to do keto brownies. And we're going to make them meeples because, of course, I had to do something board gamey. So we're going to make them as meeples, and we're going to make a cream cheese frosting and homemade sprinkles that are all made with sugar-free sweetener. So this way they're keto friendly if you're following the keto diet. If you don't follow the keto diet, stay there. Don't move, because you could just still do all these things using a brownie cake mix, real cheese frosting, and you could just buy some sprinkles. I didn't just say that. But we're going to do everything keto for this episode. So, can we do it? Yes, we can. Here we go. To begin, I must confess that this is the first keto dessert I've ever eaten. I do not follow keto diet, but I know a lot of people do, so I'm really excited to give these awesome brownie meeples a try. Let's add a little pizzazz to these brownies with some keto sprinkles. Note, try to do this in the winter, not in the middle of the humid summer. You're essentially making real icing and letting it harden. The recipe needs powdered sugar-free sweetener, which is harder to find in the store than granulated sweetener. This is easily resolved by putting in a food processor or a high-speed blender for a few minutes. Careful not to breathe in too deeply, as it seems to smoke like a cauldron when you open the lid. Combine 3/4 cup of powdered sweetener and 1 large egg white in a bowl, and you want to blend that together. And once it's homogenized or all blend together, you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn your mixer up to high speed until it becomes white in color and fluffy. Divide into 4 separate bowls and use food gel to dye them to your desired colors. Once mixed, put the icing in piping bags and pipe straight lines on parchment paper. From experience, try not to make the lines too thick. Probably a size 2 Wilton tip is best. Let them dry overnight and break them using a knife to cut them up. Or, if they don't harden, you can stick them in your oven with the light on to see if they'll dry them out a little bit more, and use your fingers to break them apart. Onto the brownies. First, mix together your dry ingredients, which include 3/4 cup granulated sweetener, a 1/4 cup cocoa powder, a 1/2 cup almond flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Give them a good mix so it's evenly combined. Add a 1/4 cup keto chocolate chips, or I found that unsweetened chocolate maybe didn't make it as sweet, but it worked just as well and it was half the price. And this is being added to 3/4 cup of butter. Melt the butter and chocolate over medium-low heat and mix till it's combined and nice and smooth. Use an electric hand mixer to mix 3 large eggs until frothy. Frothy, frothy. Slowly pour in the butter and chocolate mixture. Once that's incorporated, slowly add the dry ingredients and mix until it's just combined. Fold in the remaining 1/4 cups of chocolate bits, and then this is going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in an 8x8 pan. And you want to make sure you line it with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a skewer or toothpick comes out clean from the center. Time for our final touch. Mix 2 tablespoons softened cream cheese and 2 tablespoons softened butter with a mixer until smooth. Add in 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract and mix it again. Finally, add a 1/2 cup of powdered sweetener and mix until smooth. You want to put this into a piping bag or even a Ziploc bag. And it's time to prepare our cute brownies. Use a meeple cookie cutter to cut out meeple brownies. Pipe the cream cheese frosting around the edge. And put some colorful sprinkles in the middle of the brownies. And ta-da! Keto meeple brownies. And aren't they cute? Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. It was fun getting to try a new recipe since I've never baked keto before, and I think they still turned out really cute. If there's any other recipes like this that you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments. And while you're down there, subscribe to this channel. There's new videos released every Tuesday. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!